Hey, this is Dave Ing. I'm at the junkyard and we're doing the trunk latch on the Toyota Yaris. This is the sedan. The hatchback uses a different version. The main thing you're going to look for, there's a metal bar that attaches to the back of the keyhole. We have the latch here and a metal bar, and that is so that your key can unlock it, and you just slide that out. You have to disconnect that first so you can slide the latch out. There's two 10mm bolts. Oh, just remove. Slide the latch out here. You can disconnect the plug. It's a 2-pin plug that comes out here, and you can just disconnect it. At this point, you can take the cover off. Connected. This is the release inside the cabin, and I'll take a screwdriver and push up to release the clip that's right there on the top of the cover, and then you just pull up and release that out to get the latch out. So that's the latch, and the installation reversive removal. I'll have an OEM part number and a link to eBay in the description. See you next time.